Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Hey, I hope you're finding some great informational text that you really love to read. I've been looking through my books and I found a couple I want to share with you that kind of show you another thing that we can really look for in informational books to help us learn. So, when we talked about the sea turtle book, I flipped through and I was kind of wondering what the book was about, and I thought it may be about different kinds of sea turtles and how they live. Well, boys and girls, this book has a special thing on the inside that kind of splits the book up into sections, right? And these are called subtitles. So if you look right here, this is what sea turtles are like. The next couple pages are all about that, of different types of sea turtles and what they're like. Now, when I turn the page again, it's still about what they're like. Then the next part of the book is the life of a sea turtle. So it's almost like it has two sections in here. The first section tells you about different what sea turtles are like, and the next part tells you about their life and how they grow up. So that's why it has the eggs there and then has them hatching and getting bigger. So boys and girls, when you're looking at your book, not only look at your book and read it, the title and the cover and the pictures, but look for things like how the book is split into parts, because those parts will also help you. So those parts can be called text features. So let me show you some more text features. Now, this book about amphibians is all, if I flip through it, every page is a true and false quiz. That's kind of fun, right? So it gives you a question on one side and it asks you true and false. And then when it turns the page, you have the answer. So also, it might have like little insets with more information next to the animal, right? So those are text features. And then in the back, I want to show you this in the back. In the back, you could look up different special words in the book, and this is called an index. So let's say I just wanted to learn about salamanders, right? Or tadpoles. I could look up that, and then it would tell me, boys and girls, what page that's on. That's really important. Another text feature I wanted to show you is this was talking about landing on Mars. We've had a rover, like a little remote control car, has landed on Mars. And this book is all about driving on Mars. Here's the subheadings right here, so little sections. This has pictures, right, with words. These are called diagrams, so it's another text feature. And here's pictures with words over it, so that helps you. Those are captions. So then here is a diagram that shows you what the rover was like and tells you, has words around it with the parts of the diagram of the rover. So boys and girls, informational textbooks aren't just like print and stories. They have extra parts, and those extra parts could be titles, subtitles. You might have captions over pictures. You might have diagrams. You might have an index in the back. Boys and girls, and those really help organize the book and even more so that you can learn that information better. So when you're reading today and looking, really keep your eye out and see if you can spot some of those things that I showed you that might be in your books too. They'll help you be a stronger reader.